welcome to Tutorati Kids. My name is Shivani and you're studying mathematics with me. Today we are going to be starting a new chapter, a very interesting chapter for that matter. The name of the chapter is Pair of Linear Equations in Two Variables. Now, what do you understand by the name of the chapter? Pair of Linear Equations in Two Variables. Let's try to break the name down, okay, and try to understand. First, let's go with what is an equation. An equation is a mathematical statement with at least one variable and an equal to sign. Now pay attention to the keywords, that is at least one variable. That means minimum एक variable तो होना चाहिए. If there are more variables, will it still be an equation? Yes, it will be. Let's take a look at some of the questions. Okay. Now x plus 3, a variable and a constant, equals to 0. Is this an equation? Yes, it is an equation because there is one variable and an equal to sign. Take a look at the next one. Again, is it an equation? Yes, it is an equation. Now, moving on to a little complicated one. Now, there is one variable, but the powers are different. Nonetheless, is there any specific condition about degree mentioned here or powers? No. So, we can still consider this as an equation. Okay, let's take a look at the next one. Y square plus 5y plus 9 equals to 0. One variable, equal to sign. Is it an equation? Yes, it is an equation. X plus y plus 5 is equals to 0. What is the change here? Take a look at these two equations and that equation. There are two variables. At least one variable, मतलब minimum एक होना चाहिए, एक से ऊपर हो सकते हैं. So to answer the question, is it an equation? Yes, it is an equation. Again, the same applies to this. Is it an equation? Yes, it is an equation. Now, going back to the name of the chapter, let's take a look at the second name, that is linear. अभी ये linear equation क्या फंडा है? What is this linear equation thingy? Linear equation is an equation with degree 1. मतलब degree 1. किसका degree 1? Basically, the highest power of your variable should be 1. The highest power of your variable should be 1. Now there are about 6 examples present on the screen. Let's try to see हर एक equation का highest power क्या है. So take a look at the first one. Highest power of the variable 1. Second one 1. So मतलब these can be considered as linear equations. Yes. Take a look at the second column. इसमें highest degree क्या था? 2 था. And even here it is 2. So let us just plainly eliminate these. These are not linear equations. Coming to the third and the last column, इसमें x का degree 1, y का degree 1, similar for the next one. So even these can be considered as linear equations. ये हो गया linear equations. Now there is one more keyword that we need to pay attention to, which is two variables. मतलब हमारे equation में we need two variables, specifically two variables. So मतलब the first column will be eliminated. Why? Because two variables चाहिए हमें, right? So the first column is eliminated, and these are the type of equations that we will be dealing with throughout this entire chapter. Okay, these are the types of equations. Now we are talking about linear equations in two variables. Is there a general standard form of representing this? Yes, there is a standard form of linear equations in two variables. So now be with me and let's try to form the standard form. Again, पूरा नाम नहीं लेंगे एक साथ. We'll be breaking this down and we'll be considering parts of it. So the first part that we'll be considering is two variables. So first let us arrange two variables, x and y, our favorite variables. उसके बाद, now if we have variables, what do we need? We need coefficients. Excellent. We need coefficients. So let some random numbers a and b be their coefficients. Then what do we need? A constant. We need a constant c. This is a constant. And इनके बीच में operations and a equal to sign, right? So this is the standard form of linear equations in two variables. Going a bit ahead, ये जो a, b and c है, what are these? These are real numbers. Okay, these are real numbers. And there is one simple condition that is a and b cannot be equal to 0. A and b cannot be equal to 0. मतलब c0 हो सकता है? Yes, a constant may or may not be present in your linear equation in two variables, but the two variables, they should be present. So मतलब A और B zero नहीं हो सकते. Is this clear? So what we did was introduction to the name of the chapter, understanding each term in the name itself, and then forming a standard form. Okay? Now we'll be dealing with solutions या फिर method to solve these linear equations. Now at this point we understand that there are two variables in our linear equations. मतलब these two variables will obtain some value at a time. So there are in total 4 methods of solving these linear equations. The first method, substitution. The second method, elimination. The third method, graphical, and the fourth method is cross multiplication method. Okay, so these are the 4 methods that will be going over in the course of this lecture. So now without further ado, let's start with the first one, okay, which is substitution method. Let's take an example and then simultaneously try to understand the method or how it goes. Okay, so here's a question for you. Solve the following pair of linear equations by substitution method. A very basic, a very simple example. X plus y is equals to 14 and x minus y is equals to 4. Now first thing that you do here is copy down the equations very carefully. Do not mess up the signs, do not mess up the numbers, do not mess up the variables, okay? Because that is precisely where people start messing up. Signs, numbers, always be careful with them. So copy down the two equations. So what you do here is you first number the equations, okay? You first number the equations. So let us call this as equation 1 and let us call this as equation 2, okay? To refer them throughout our sum. So we have equation 1 and equation 2. Alright, let's move forward now. Abhi, what we have to do is you have to consider one of the two equations. You have to consider one of the two equations. क्यों consider करना है? We'll be seeing it in the course of the sum, but पहले understand दोनों में से एक को consider करो. Which equation is to be considered? Any can be considered, but we prefer to take up the simpler of the two equations. We prefer to take the simpler of the two equations. Now which one is the simpler one? The second one, right? The second one is the simpler one. So here we consider equation 2. अभी consider कर लिया, लेकिन उसके साथ करना क्या है? What do we have to do with this sum? So what do we have to do here is we have to rearrange it. We have to rearrange it. कैसे rearrange करना है? Write the equation as either x is equals to something or y is equals to something. You either write it as x is equals to something or y is equals to something. Now यहाँ पे it is easier to write it as x is equals to 4 and shift y onto the right hand side. Let's try to do that. Y को shift किया, so it becomes x is equals to 4 plus y. Okay, नया equation बन गया, right? Even if it is by rearranging the second equation, this is a new equation that we get. Number it as equation 3. Okay, now going back to what was the method that we were trying to solve here? What was the name of the method? The name of the method is substitution. Substitution मतलब we have to write something in place of the other thing. So we need to substitute something. What? Substitute क्या करना है? So basically we need to substitute equation 3. That is why we rearranged it. लेकिन वहाँ पे कहाँ पे substitute करना है? Where do we put this in? In the equation that we did not consider. तो हमने equation 2 consider किया था and we left out equation 1. So to make it feel not left out, we are going to take this equation and उसमें x की जगह we will substitute 4 plus y. So in this equation, instead of writing x, I'll be writing 4 plus y. Okay, the rest of the equation remains as it is. Mind you, the rest of the equations without any change in it remains as it is. यहाँ पे बस x की जगह 4 plus y को replace किया. Okay, substitute किया. So 4 plus y is equals to 14. Now we have to start adding it. 4 remains as it is, plus y becomes plus 2y is equals to 14. Now, when we have such a type of equations, what do? We make sure that the constant is on one side and the variable remains on the other side. So what is the variable here? 2y. So it should remain on one side and shift the constant onto the other. So 2y remains, 14 minus 4 is what becomes on the right hand side. So subtraction kiya, 2y is equals to 10 and y is equals to 5. But this is only one of the variables. Where is the second variable? So how do you get the value of x? To get the value of x, you have the value of y. इसको substitute करो. कहाँ? In any of the three equations. You have three equations. इसमें से किसी में भी y की value डालो and obtain the value of x. Which is the simplest of the three equations? Naturally, the third equation is the simplest one. So what do here is, we put the value of y in equation 3. Okay, so take equation 3. Equation 3 क्या है? 4 plus x is equals to 4 plus y. So बाकी everything remains the same. Y की जगह क्या डालेंगे? The value of y, which is 5. So x is equals to 9. How do we conclude the sum? We conclude it by stating the solution is x is equals to 9 and y is equals to 5. This is how you solve two linear equations by substitution method. Okay, so that's it for today. In the next lecture, we'll be starting with the next method of solving linear equations in two variables. Okay, thank you so much and take care. And if you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, please do that and hit the bell icon with it. Thank you.